Yo, hope everyone's well. Have a good trading week, trading day. Um, so this video, I'm actually just going to go through a trade that I took. I actually took a short, even though you can see prices going long here. So with the title of this YouTube video, it's you can be wrong but still make money, and you could be right and still lose money. So trading isn't always about being right. It's just about making money. So I made money by shorting this whole so this move here, and I made money. I think a lot of people will try and sell this and lose money, and potentially people may have tried to buy it and lost money. So the reasons why I got in, I'll show you. Like, I'll do the live videos that I usually do on my YouTube. But looking back at it now, I should have literally just been a little bit more patient with my setup here instead of using this setup over here. So with this bearish order block, I drew that across to short it from there. However, I should have just been patient with this bearish order block, and there's nothing here. So that's why I usually wouldn't have got into the market here. But that's just something that I'll just take notes on. But yeah, if anyone went long in that move, nice. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video coming up. If you've got any questions, let me know, comment below, like, subscribe if you like this type of content, and enjoy the video. Yo, hope everyone's well. I hope you enjoyed the video yesterday. I called the longs from up here. It's ran now into this 4-hour midpoint here, so consequent encouragement. Try to get a bias here. So 4-hour, the consequent encouragement here. Look on the 1 hour. 1 hour's taking this buy side. So it's taking this buy side. Bearish order block, tapped into that. Then there's also a CB. So buy side, bearish order block, CB, 4-hour SE. CE, sorry. So that's multiple reasons why potentially price will go lower. Where would it want to go to? There's liquidity down here now. So sell side here, these relatively equal lows, sell side, and then sell side down here. So potentially there's news just come out, which is unemployment claims. No, that's Thursday, sorry. Core retail sales and retail sales as well. That's just come out, pushed euro higher. So let's see if people are going to try to be buying this. Equal lows down here, liquidity. Let's see if it wants to run lower. So I will update you guys. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. Looking at the 5, bearish order block, pulls lower, comes back into this bearish order block here. So I'm just going to make it black. Price here has made a high, a low, higher high. So I'm just going to see if it makes a lower low with fair value gap. Then I'll enter in, taking out this movement down here, taking out these equal lows here. So keep you updated. Once it makes this, breaks this low here, then it becomes a breaker, these two candles, and then hopefully this will be a fair value gap here. But we'll see. Keep you in touch. Okay, just put a sale limit here. Let's see if we get tagged in, and let's see what happens. Right, we have been tagged in. Stop is just above this high, so it's about 3-4. Let's say 345. I haven't actually put the stop in there though. So 343. Risking just over 0.5% if you've got a 100k account. Take profit. So partials be at that low, and then here, and then here's my final take profit. So it's about just under 6-to-1 risk to reward for the low here, but partials taken here, and probably the midpoint of this, and then partials here, and then here. So I will keep you guys in touch of when I take partials. Okay, so just a couple minutes later, it's taking this sell side, so just going to take a little bit of partials, probably just that. So I left myself still 10 lots on. So yeah, so that's I think about a couple $100 taken. Just gonna move stops to here. So still with that high is there, still with that little fair value gap to fill, and that little bit of bearish order block just in case it comes out, taps that. But let's see. I'll update you again if it goes to this midpoint, which is there. So that'd be the next partials. Okay, so just update. As soon as I take partials here, prices came back to this bearish order block, fair value gap, and it has taken me out for minus $80. So I made about $300, $200 to lose 80. So just a nice quick trade. I could have kept my stops here, so I will update you guys if I would have get it taken out. But this could have been a nice runner down lower. But that's just a nice little trade. So yeah, just little wins. Okay, so update would have been taken out if I didn't move my stop. So I would have lost, I think it was about 585. So I would have actually been negative on this trade. But because I moved my stops as soon as it took this low here, that I'm actually positive on this trade. So those are the things that you sort of just got to keep an eye on. And yeah, even though this wasn't a good winner, it could have ran all the way lower and been a really nice trade. I still profited on this trade. So those are the ones that will just keep building up your account. And if you took a loss on that, that's the ones which you damaged your account. So hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, look forward to the next one. Be safe.